Hindi ba po pagka ganyang malaking government agency, especially yung Deped, sometimes maraming mga box assigned for the procurement of particular category. In the box that you specifically belong, ano pong mga bagay yung procurement ang kailangang dumaan sa inyo? Particular.
Yes, sir. As far as I recall, ang dumaan sa akin ho ay laptops.
Laptop?
Yes, sir. Laptops for teaching, non-teaching, and yung DCP project ho.
So, kabilang po dito yung procurement relating to Deped Computerization Program.
Yes,
Tama
sir.
po?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2024 ang original ko ho.
Noong back member kayo, naging party po ba kayo noong October and December 2023 bids for the DCP?
Yes, sir. I was also, before the 2024, before the November designation as back chair, I was also part of the DCP 2022, which was bidded in 2023. Yes, sir.
Na-mention nyo rin po na naging back chairperson. Kailan kayo naging chairperson po ng back?
I think if I'm not mistaken, around November na po ng 2023.
November ng 2023.
Or is it December? Something November or December, sir. Kasi my memory is not really at this point.
Na-recall nyo pa po yung mga project na dumaan sa inyo as back chair?
Yes, sir. Originally, since I was handling the back 6, it is supposed to be the early procurement activity back, no? The back in charge for early procurement activity. So, kasama ho, yung nare-recall ko ho is the DCP project for 2024 ho sana. For 2024 DCP project. And laptop for teachers, laptop for non-teaching personnel. Ganun ho yung aking nare-recall na
So, up to
dadaan
now
sa
po,
akin.
are you still working with Deped bilang director at back chair?
Not anymore as back chair, sir, but I am still working with Deped. Yes, but I am no longer connected with the HR. I have been reassigned under the new administration. I have been reassigned to the office of the Undersecretary for Procurement.
So, pwede kong sabihin, ranking official pa rin kayo ng Deped.
In terms of the fact that I am an appointed director, sir, yes.
Yeah. And you play an important role kasi kayo parte ng back before, di po ba? That oversees yung DCP, yung computerization, a flagship program of the Deped. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, as far as I am concerned at that time, yes, sir.
Tanong lang po, would you also receive envelopes from Ms. Shine Paharda? Parang ikinuwento ni Yusek Mercado, envelope containing cash.
All right. Your Honor, Mr. Chair, no, I must be candid about this. I must say I did, but I didn't know because I was new in the department. I thought it was a practice of the department. I thought, the very first time I encountered that matter, sir, was sometime in April of 2023. I didn't know I was summoned to the office of ASEC Shine, and then I was given an envelope, and it was later on I found out that there was money in it, but it was not because I was a back member or whatever yet, because I was not at that time.
At that last hearing, sabi ni Yusek Mercado, kung natatandaan ko, 9 envelopes yung natanggap niya amounting to 50,000 each. Sa inyo pong pagkakaalala, hanggang kailan kayo nakatanggap na envelope? Ilan?
It started April. I think it was until September of that year.
Up to September 2023?
Yes, sir, but if I recall it right, I was only summoned about 4 times to the office.
4 times?
Yes.
Up to September 2023?
Yes, sir.
So yung last quarter po, wala na kayo natanggap?
Wala na po. Wala.
So in other words, wala na kayong envelope na natanggap ng 4th quarter ng 2023. Tama po?
Yes, sir.
Mukhang sumakto Sa panahon na hindi na ginamit ng Deped yung confidential fund for the last quarter nang pumuputok na issue ng confidential fund. Anyway, Mr. Osias, I think this was also mentioned by the BP in a press conference na magkano po pala yung laman? Magkano po laman ng envelope?
I think it was something like between 12 to 15, sir. Hindi ko na ho matandaan yung laman talaga.
12 to
Very
15,000.
minimal amount, yes, sir.
Yes, Congressman Abante, you are recognized.
Attorney Opisyal admitted that he has received envelopes. Now, I'm not saying it's wrong, no? Can be an appreciation thing or a love gift, whatever it might be. I don't think it's wrong. Pero if that is actually the habit of the secretary to give envelopes to his to her people, I wonder if only Yusek Mercado or you receive envelope. Perhaps Yusek Mempin should also say something about that, or anybody here among the Deped family. Because as I've said, no, when you receive an envelope, there was no thinking that there's anything wrong with that. Wala kaming inaiisip na masama yan. Just, you're under oath and just tell us about it. And thank you for telling us that. Yes.
Sir, again, I must say that when I was called and received an envelope, initially I thought that it is how it is in Deped because I did not come from Deped. So, to be honest, I was grateful because it helps a lot. No, I am from the province, so parang nakakatulong.
Where were you before, Attorney Opisyal? Before you went to Deped, where were you before?
I spent more or less 25 years in another agency, sir.
In the private?
No, government also.
Government
sir.
din?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
I just came across the Deped, yung posting.
So you were thinking that, receiving an envelope is just something that that happens in Deped once in a while, and you're grateful. I really appreciate that. No, as I've said, we're not thinking of anything wrong in receiving those envelopes. We're just wondering, how many of a Deped family receive envelopes too? We're just wondering. If Attorney Opisyal was able to say and tell us the truth about that, and perhaps Yusek Mercado, Yusek Mempin, can you say something about that?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. For me, sir, I have not received any envelope coming from ASEC Sunshine.
Or you have not received any envelope?
Yes,
So,
Your Honor, for me, sir.
Ibig sabihin, only some special people receive envelopes like that. And you're not too special, am I? Is that what you're trying to say?
I'm not aware of it, sir.
Can you say something about that? You're the spokesperson.
Yes, sir. When I was Hope, sir, I became Hope. No, I can categorically say I was not able to receive a single envelope at all. But I do remember sometime December 2022 or early December, I did receive an envelope, just minimal amount. And at times, pag nagsasabi, may mga times kasi, sir, na candidly, medyo napagalitan ako because nag-aabono daw ako. Because when people come to me as a spokesperson, sometimes they tell problems, I would give, at the end of the day, ang kailangan lang pala nila, 3,000, 5,000. So nagbibigay ako personally. So there were instances, occasional, although not regularly, not like monthly at all, that I would receive, but not from ASEC Shine. I would, when I would tell the VP, like nung Christmas, the VP gave it to me herself.
Well, there are times.
But yes, I did receive occasionally.
There are times, when you
Yes.
appreciate stuff. Ako
Yes,
rin,
and-
ganun eh.
Oo.
When I appreciate my stuff, I would sometimes give envelopes
Yes,
to
sir.
them too.
But occasionally,